Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you a simple trick to move walls that already have windows or doors in Heartopia without changing the original layout. Like, for example, let's say your wall and window are arranged like this, and you want to move the whole wall backward to this spot over here. And the problem is when you try to move one wall like this, and then you will move the other wall like this, it can be moved because another wall already has a windows, so it can be moved like this. It's locked in place, and here's the solutions. First, just remove the window or door from that wall like this, for example like this, and then next just move the wall that you want to adjust like this, and then just simply put the window or door back to its original spot like this. And that's it. Your wall layout stayed the same as before, but now it's in the positions that you want. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.